Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so I am going to show you how to use AI by searching items using Google Lens that we have to install from Play Store. So we have to enter Play Store, and right here we have to search Google Lens. Now here we have to install. Now we can open the app, and here we have to allow the access to gallery. And also to camera, and we are going to search my earpods by this AI. So here is my headphones, and we have to just aim on them, and then we have to click like we wanted to take a photo, and here as you can see it searched that this is AirPods Pro. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!